Okay, Rob, what do you think about a team of student journalists traveling around in a watchdog report with three inspirational story guys with very different backgrounds, stories looking for great talent, great stories, and keeping the community in check, separating good business from bad business?
Well, I think it's a good idea to have a vehicle where young folks can come and see inspiring stories and provide inspiring stories. I think it's a win-win. I think the students win as well as the people that are actually performing the service. I think you have a really good product here, and I think it's a winner.
All right, thank you.